Have you ever wondered how to measure the cash payouts you receive from your stock holdings? Let's break down dividend per share. Dividend per share, or DPS, is the total amount of dividends a company pays out for each individual share of its stock. To calculate this, you simply divide the total dividends paid by the company during a period by the total number of outstanding shares. Investors use this metric to see if a company is consistently sharing its profits and whether those payouts are growing year over year. While DPS gives you the actual dollar amount, the dividend yield helps you compare that payout against the current market price of the stock. A company that increases its dividend per share over time is often viewed by investors as a sign of financial health and confidence. Remember that companies are not required to pay dividends, and they can reduce or eliminate them if their financial situation changes. Understanding DPS is a great step in your investing journey. Subscribe for more basics, and remember, this is educational content, not financial advice.